Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Mix Minute. My name's Tim, and today we're going to be talking about audio interfaces. There's arguably no more important piece of equipment than your interface. And picking an interface outside of quality comes down to one main thing: what you intend to do. Are you a singer-songwriter or an electronic music producer or even a DJ, for example, that's recording your sets? Well, like a 1 or 2 input interface is probably fine. Really 2. We always want to have the ability to record something in stereo that has a left and right component. But a small interface would be totally fine for what you want to do. Or let's say you're setting up a recording system at like a small band rehearsal space. Well, then you might need an 8 input interface to actually accommodate all the microphones coming in. The first and most important thing that an interface does is A to D and D to A, or analog to digital and digital to analog conversion. Every single piece of information flows in through the interface, and subsequently when you hit the play button, flows out through the interface to your ears. So conversion is vitally important. But good news, a lot of interfaces nowadays have pretty good converters built on them, even the less expensive ones. The bar for conversion has come up quite a bit in the past 10 to 15 years. Now that being said, a good 2-channel interface might be $500 to $1,000, but it has really good converters on it. Now, the next job that your interface typically has is monitoring, whether that be through speakers or headphones or both. A lot of interfaces nowadays have some sort of software console that they come with. The engineer can get one type of mix and the person recording can have a different mix if they want to. Another prominent feature on a lot of small interfaces are preamps. Your microphone needs a preamp. It's the volume knob for the microphone. It's the power that actually creates the oomph behind the signal. Depending on the price and the manufacturer of the interface, it can have vastly different preamps. So even if you're setting up a small studio, it's important to get a good interface. Preamps, converters, and features like headphone outs. Those are essential to everything you do. So I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. If you're watching me on a platform, throw me a thumbs up. Otherwise, check out my other videos. And until then.